my friends. I know I didn't make videos from a really long time. So today I'm going to make a video. I'm recording this video from Hyderabad, but after recording it from Hyderabad, I'll come to Bangalore and I'll send this video because here there is no so much net. Okay, so after doing that, I will send the video. Okay, so now I'm going to upload Among Us. So I guess you might know the game. While playing the game, I'll also explain how to play the game. Okay, so now let's start. Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. We are going to play Among Us. So basically, you might have heard it already. There are lots of other game, so many videos for the game Among Us. Like just in seconds, that game went above than Free Fire or PUBG or Call of Duty, whatever you say. It became that famous. So now let's see how to play this game. Among Us is a game of teamwork and betrayal. Players are either crewmates or an imposter. Play with 4 to 10 players online or via local Wi-Fi. There are 2 controls for this game. One is joystick and touch. The first 3 I will tell you later. The last 2 options are want to play with more tasks. How about faster walk speed? More imposters. As a host, you can change these settings. Be sure to confirm the changes with your fellow players. If someone is being rude or spamming, hosts can temporarily kick players as a warning or ban players from the specific online room. Players have access to personal map to help them navigate the ship. You can see a hand pointing over the map, so that shows this map of any map which you are playing. There are 3 maps in this game, so any map which you are playing, if you press that button, you get the whole map. Next, the crew. Objective: fill group taskbar or discover the imposter. Steps to be a crew: complete tasks to fill gauge, react to imposter sabotage, call emergency meeting when imposter found, report dead bodies, check admin map and security for suspicious activity. The imposter. Objective: kill off the crew. Blend in with the crew, sneak through vents, pretend to run tasks, sabotage the ship and confuse the crew, close doors and trap victims, kill off the crew between cooldowns. While playing in person, no talking is allowed to keep the game fair between the crew and the imposter. If a player is killed by the imposter, they cannot talk until the game ends. Ghosts still run their assigned task, working towards a possible crewmate win. When someone reports a dead body or calls an emergency meeting, the crew gathers to discuss what they know about the imposter. Players can now talk openly about who they think the imposter is and what information they have. When playing in person, ghosts cannot talk as they already know who the imposter is. Imposters will try to prove their innocence or accuse another crew member. After discussion, vote for who you think is the imposter. Whoever gets the majority votes will be ejected from the ship. So vote wisely. If you don't have enough information and have decided as a crew, you can also skip vote to avoid ejection, someone innocent and gather more information. Practice in flame mode. Set your own tasks as a crew member or practice your imposter killing strategies. So these are the steps to play the game. If you can't catch up to my speed, you can pause the video and also read. Yeah. So now, as you know, in local you can play without net, but as if I know, I didn't get any maps over there. Online, you get these things. As a host, you can create the game. In public, you can find the game. There are some games you can choose how many imposters you want, any or 1 or 2 or 3. You can change. In the right side there is a button because I kept it as 2 first. 2. So yeah, now we'll go to back. So now let's see. Yeah, I forgot this. Private is the game when you can call your friends and one people. You can like as a host you can create the game and you can give. There's a code while always playing an online game. There's a code. So basically you can give that code to your friend in a call or something, and that your friend can write the code in this platform. After doing that, click this send button, and then you can get into the game. So as you know how to play this game, now I'm going to show you how the visual tasks work or how to play as an imposter in this free play mode. You get 3 maps, so selecting a map is Vice, the Skilled, Mirror HQ and Police. In these 3 maps you have to select a map. Skilled is the common map, so I'm using Skilled. So basically now I'm filled as a came as a crewmate. You can customize yourself. First I will tell you what are the visual tasks. These all rooms have different tasks, but I'm going to show only the visual tasks, okay? Because until I know, when I play these online games, obviously you will know what are the tasks as well. So admin, swipe card, these are not visual tasks. So basically I'll show you the visual task right now. So the first visual task is in Medbay, submit scan. So basically Medbay is over here. You can use the map to go. So now I'm in Medbay. You can see there is a dummy one or something. So when you get this one, there are 2 tasks in this. One is here and one is here. So now I'm going to use this. So you press use. So basically it scans you. So an imposter cannot do this task because only a crewmate can. A crewmate scan means that he is a crewmate. So that's a visual task. And then the next visual task is in hold on, reactor security shields. There are 2 tasks in that, but we have to do prime shields. So now we are in weapons. Shields is in the bottom left and bottom right. So yeah, now we are in shields. Be careful though, while making this task also someone can vent through and kill you and again vent. So basically how this works is, you can see here there is nothing over here, right? There are just lights are off. But when you do this task, like you can see the red pentagons, doing the task ons the light. So now you can see it on the light. So now that's a visual task. I'll just reach the cafeteria. Okay, so now the next one is in storage. Not in storage, you have to first empty the garbage. So you get empty garbages in cafeteria, O2, and I don't know which is the other one. Those 2 is which I know. I already have temporarily the shoot one. So basically what to do is you have to press it and pull it and hold. After finishing that, the task is completed. I mean not yet completed, because first after doing in that room you have to come down to storage. Come here. Before I do, now see this. When I leave it, you can see that the dust has flown down, right? So that's a crewmate task. An imposter cannot do that task because it's a visual task. An imposter cannot do that. So yeah, next is in weapons. Clear asteroids. So when you see this chair one, press that and you basically destroy the asteroids. Oh my gosh. It's not compulsory to destroy all the asteroids, but it's just a fast memory speed. Oh no. The task is completed. So basically now I can't show you how that works. You can see over there in the right side there are some lines, no, in pink color. Basically, that starts shooting. When that shoots, it means that that person is a crewmate, because an imposter cannot do that task. Yeah, these are the main visual tasks. There is no other visual task over here. No, sorry. Now I have a task. Now then, there are some tasks which are not visual. Like here, downloading data. This is not the biggest task, but this task take a long time. Then after doing that, there are lots of data uploading areas, but not data downloading areas, but there is only one place to upload it, which is in the admin over here. That is uploading data. Next you have some in electrical. I'm trying to go a little fast. There are some wire fixing tasks like this, and there is this task is a little hard. You can see that the light goes in that when it is connected to the cable wire. So the place where you have to touch is in the bar. There is one button, right? So that you have to press that. If you miss, then you have to do it from the beginning. Okay, so after doing that, it finish. I have two more tasks, which is wire fixing only, but there is 1/3. So I finished one. It takes so much time to reach in one place to another as a crewmate. Imposters no need to finish tasks. Their only task is to kill off the crew and start sabotaging. And the last one is in security. And yeah, I'll also show you the cams. Here. There are also security cameras around the map. Normally the crew would have just won with the task, but yeah. So use this and you can see there are some red, there's a red light and stop light, right? That means that you have, that place is being watched by the cameras. There are only 4 cameras here. So that's it. Yeah. So that's the thing. There is also a tip which I wanted to show you. In this medbay scan, you can use it, go out, 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 use it, cancel, use it, cancel. Then when you use it, oh no, I don't know if that works correctly. I don't know, now it's not working. But yeah, that's all for today. Those are the tasks and everything. You saw a pop-up box before, right? That normally the crewmates win by completing the task bar. But as in free play mode, you get those tasks automatically again and again. So yeah, that's the thing. Now if you want to... I thought I saw something there. So basically, if you want to use an emergency meeting, you have to press the red button. So you made an emergency meeting. These people don't discuss much. They start voting. So I am voting dummy 1. Dummy 6 was also suspicious. You don't get that proceed button, but here you get that. So basically they goes out and they say that they are not an imposter, or there was an imposter. They said that there are 0 imposters remain because there is no imposter left. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to Timefly Games and Crafts. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm back again. I actually forgot to play as an imposter, so I was thinking like we can do it in the next video. So in the next video, same free play mode, or free play mode itself. I will do an imposter one. Okay, how to play in free play mode as an imposter, what is sabotaging, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now, bye, and please like, share and subscribe to Timefly Games and Crafts. Bye.